This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by Judy Yelverton. Email. Share? Link. More. 7549 US Highway 59N. Atlanta, Texas 75551 directions. For sale. All photos. Print. There is a heightened risk for COVID-19 in Texas. Please consider alternative methods, such as virtual open houses and 3D tours to show or view a property. 4 beds. 2 full baths. 3,345 Bldg Sqft. 16.00 lot acres. Single family. 43 days on har.com. Directions. Drive time. General description minimize. Line up, folks. You are going to want to experience this. This barndominium is unique to our market and is a delightful destination in so many ways. Set back from the highway that makes town or travel so accessible, the property is private and quiet. Attractive pipe fencing guides you to the front parking area, and there the true beauty of the buildings can be appreciated. From the front porch view to the back patio privacy, you are going to enjoy this home immensely. The front French doors open to the main living area, a great gathering place for family and friends. For more information, review the